95% of people make the mistake of looking at the lives of people like Elon Musk or Cristiano Ronaldo. They think they have everything perfect: wealth, success, and no financial problems. And then you look at yourself and think, why can't I do that? Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about why you feel like everyone has money but you, and how you can change that situation. By the end of this video, you'll know why other people appear financially better off and discover practical steps to improve your own finances. Don't miss out. It could change your life. Hi, I'm John Carter, and I'm here to help you understand money, personal finance, and investing. If you're tired of feeling stuck or wondering why everyone else seems to have it all figured out by now, you've come to the right place. Believe me, it can change the way you think about money forever. Before we get started, click the like button and sign up for the newsletter. Don't miss out on tips that could change your financial future. Did you ever think that those who go to cool places or buy new iPhones might just not be worried about debt? There's a mistake. Many of them live with huge credit cards. Seriously, nearly 1/3 of Americans can't pay off debt on cards and are only paying the minimum amount. You'll say, oh, that's their problem, not mine. But in reality, that picture of success may be hiding a real financial hole behind it. So before you begrudge someone else's spending, think about what's behind it. They may not be so debt-free. Do you think your coworkers have it easy? Maybe they have a side income. In fact, 39% of Americans earn money on the side, an average of $800 a month. But here's the catch. Most of them don't use that money for luxury items. They are either paying off debts or making savings. So before you judge someone's financial success, consider the fact that they could be working a second job in their spare time while you watch Netflix. But think about it. Each of us chooses something, gives up something. For example, someone who is always on vacation is probably saving for something else. Maybe they don't buy expensive clothes so they can afford to travel more. Or your significant other who bought a dream home but now has to save money on everything else. People who appear carefree have more often than not simply made a choice to favor one at the expense of the other. So let's stop comparing ourselves to them. Everyone has a different price to pay for what seems like the perfect life. You know what always surprised me? The way so many people try to show that they are doing great, when in fact, they may be on the verge of bankruptcy. They buy new cars, show off their vacations on Instagram, and give the impression that they are successful and rich. But here's a secret. Many of them can live from paycheck to paycheck, pay for expensive things with loans, and try to maintain this facade of success. You don't see their debts, fights, and the stress behind the picture. So maybe what you're seeing isn't exactly what they're actually experiencing. Now, let's discover another important truth. We all have unique circumstances. Some of us get help from our parents. Others go the hard way, working and studying to avoid taking out a loan. Some had risks, and some chose the more quiet path. Don't judge others for making their path easier or more difficult. We all came to where we are now in different ways, and it's important to realize that everyone has a different path. You know who's really rich? Those who don't feel the need to put themselves out there. The real wealth is silence. It's not about fancy cars or designer clothes. It's about long-term financial security. It's a choice that will ensure your future success, not just following the latest trends. Friends, don't forget that every financial decision should be made to create a secure and sustainable future for you. Instead of trying to look successful, focus on what you need for your long-term success. Start saving, investing, and making the right decisions for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Share in the comments how you plan to improve your financial situation, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.